day in Woodwater Port, but all the same, Travis and Mason, as usual, were right on time. Good morning, you two. I should hope you're ready for another fun day of busy harbour life. You know it, sir. Oh, I don't want to do this today. Well, Mason, for once, I'll let you have the day off. Really, sir? Oh, wow, thank you. This isn't fair at all. Well, someone has to pick up the lazy one's slack, eh, Travis?
Yeah, I suppose that's true. Oh, shut up, Travis.
And Travis, to help with the extra workload, I've found a new tug that I've agreed to give a trial. Please welcome Bovis.
Oh, wow, a new tug? That sounds so cool.
What are you doing? That really hurt. What are you guys looking at? I already hate this guy.
Oh, don't be silly, Mason. Hello, Bovis. My name's Travis.
I really didn't ask, though, did I?
Oh, okay.
Oi, talk to Travis like that again, there'll be problems. Alright, you lot, break it up. Travis, I want you to take Bovis out and show him the ways of Woodwater Port.
Right away, Captain Thornberry.
Mason, you go to the quarry to get stone for the lighthouse. Oh, I hate working at the quarry. Well, here we go. Seem a bit low in the water, though. Oi, Bovis! Oi! Get back here!
So over there's where we put the barges, no problem.
Okay, let's go and get some barges. Ow! What are you doing? That really hurt. Oh, what are you gonna do, be a snitch? Yeah, I'm gonna go see Captain Thornberry, and yes, I am. Yeah, good. Go tell your stupid boss.
Captain Thornberry, Bovis has gotta go.
Why? What's happened, Travis?
He's being really rude and boastful, and he bashed into me.
Alright, Travis, I shall contact his owners and have him sent back straight away. Oh, wait. Hang on, I'm getting a phone call. Yes? Yeah, Bovis. He's in trouble? In what Oh, okay. Travis?
What's wrong, sir?
Travis! Bovis is stuck on the lighthouse embankment. Help him.
Why would I help him?
Just do it, Travis.
I'm coming, Bovis.
Help me, Travis! I'm sinking! Be careful!
Oh boy, what a mess! How did we get into this?
Don't ask questions! Just help me before I sink!
Hurry, Travis! I'm trying, man! It's no good, we're both going down! Mason?
I'm here to help, now get moving!
Thank you, Mason!
It's alright, Travis. Tugs came home bright and early. Friends! Friends, you're not so bad too.
Come on, Bovis, let's go!
I think they're friends now, don't you?